10 survival tips while traveling with your toddler. Number 1. Get to the airport early. Well begun is half done. If you avoid that last minute rush and reach early, you saved yourself from that extra undue stress. Grab something to eat after check-in. Make sure little one is not hungry. Change the nappy and treat yourself with some good coffee before the adventure begins. Number 2. Burn your little one's energy before the flight. So you have now reached early and have plenty of time and space for your toddler to walk around. Just make him walk or do multiple laps of the travelator. They just need to be tired, and this is going to pay off. Number 3. Choose your seats wisely. I would personally recommend the aisle seat, so you won't have to worry about taking permission from the person sitting next to you when you have to leave your seat for nappy change or simply because your toddler wants to walk around for the millionth time. Number 4. Pack lots of snacks and their favorite fruits. This is one of the best hacks that I learned from another mom. When they are hungry, they are cranky. So the key here is to keep them well fed. Pack loads of snacks, even more than you think. Pack their favorite fruits, healthy snacks, anything they like to munch on. This is going to be a real lifesaver on board. Number 5. Pack some change of clothes for the toddler and at least one for yourself. Remember the coffee treat I was talking about after check-in? Yes, that coffee was actually all over me. No, I did not pack anything in my hand luggage for myself, so I ended up buying one expensive t-shirt from the airport itself. You don't have to make that mistake. Please do carry something light and comfortable for yourself too. And for toddlers, it goes without saying, you have to keep a pair or two in your carry-ons anyways. Number 6. Keep baby wipes and diapers well within reach. With all those snacks and walking around, you are sure to reach out to your wipes and nappies sooner than you expect. Change their nappies as needed without any delays, because if they are clean, they will be happy. Number 7. Have an activity bag ready to go. Pack some surprise toys, loads of stickers, some books, coloring books, color pencils, anything that you know to keep them busy. Kids love little mystery items coming out from their bag. Airline staff should also be providing you with an activity pack, just in case if they don't, ask for it. Number 8. Download their favorite videos, games, puzzles, educational videos on your tablet or iPads. If you want to maintain your sanity, especially on those long 10 to 15 hours international flights, you might consider relaxing your screen time rules. Keep your tabs or mobile devices fully charged, just in case. This can also be your last resort after you have exhausted all the above methods to keep them happy and busy. Number 9. Ignore the glares. Your toddler might want to get off their seat and walk around. Do not try to stop them. Just walk behind them if the seat belt signs are off. I personally tried to change his nappy every 2 hours for a long 10 hours flight. And every time we would get up for nappy change, he liked to walk around up and down once or twice, which he really enjoyed. I was lucky to have some great fellow passengers. But sometimes you might not be that lucky, and especially when they're having a meltdown, others might give you that ugly glare. You just need to ignore. Remember, we cannot do anything about it. Toddlers are just being toddlers. Last but not the least, carry backpacks and keep your hands free, especially if you have a stopover. Pack your bag with all essentials you need for the flight only. Do not take a suitcase as a carry-on. Backpack will be your best friend, as trust me, you will need both your hands free to hold and catch your little one when they start running around at the airport. If you're planning your next adventure soon, just remember, happy toddler equals happy journey. Hope you found these tips useful. Please feel free to share with anyone you know are feeling anxious and are having second thoughts on flying with a toddler alone. See you next time.